Did we even check for cameras when we came in?
No.
Yeah, that was stupid. There we go. Oh, what? Oh, that's fucking rank.
Really?
You can't smell that?
Is there something dead in there? Is there?
Oh, you don't smell that? Oh, the smell in here is just rank.
Look, it says USS Critter Getter. That's so funny.
USS Critter Getter.
Since it came in.
The goat house.
Awesome job, guys.
Oh, this does not look abandoned to me. Did we even check for cameras when we came in? Yeah, that was stupid.
But there's nothing wrong with it.
Oh, well, what do you call that?
You see any lights up? Or
No, but
I don't think there's any cameras.
they got a winch.
Yeah, there's carry on the light. There's that motor on the top there. We're right at the falls. You can like see them.
We should go down there.
It's a beautiful view.
Let's do it. There's the guard.
Yeah, he's looking at everything, bro. As if we fucking is, are like bright as daylight walking around. Bullshit, dude. No one would be doing this.
Servers. Look at all the motors. Look at the size of this thing. It just keeps going. Way too close to the guardhouse. Back out. This is fresh. This place is still running. Holy shit. That's all the paper that didn't make it. factory was running until recently. Everything smells well oiled. Oh. Factories are dangerous places. No doubt. Wow, imagine working in this. Golly. And there it is. Oh, way up. Something's still running over here. These offices are still in use. Big walkie-talkies. Oh my god. That means do not disturb. Get me out of here. Oh. I mean, these machines are valuable. Viscometers. Should have more security. Look at this. This is the main fucking factory right here. Need to not be here any much longer. It's big. What have we here? Bush. There's a lot of fucking bush here. I mean, the bush is stacked up. You know how you used to have to shit on every infill? This would be the place to get that urge. I mean, look at this. You could wipe your ass for years. It's actually really, really painfully stiff. Yeah, it would rip your ass to shreds. Nice. Gloves and shit.
Oh, dude. Oh.
What's the toilet look like? Hold on.
Oh, bro, that's nasty. You want to take a shit in that?
Oh, God. It'd probably look better after I took a shit in it. This whole thing. Oh, that goes all the way.
I see lights, dude.
Can you see lights right now?
Yeah, I'm trying to get to the edge to see what's going on.
Notify cook before entering blow chamber. This I gotta see. Yeah, you are missing some epic shit, dude. Oh, man. I'm in the blow chamber. Oh, this is not good. Holy Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. Man, those are cornucopia. You think? Okay. I've seen some fucked up toilets, but that's right at level 9 or 10. Control room. This is Venturi valves. Wooden tank, tile tank, metal tank. Get out of here.